There she is, the truck for the day. She is a Chrysler, made in Mexico. So she is an 07 or 08 Dodge Ram, Cummins turbo diesel, 5500. She's about to meet the 53 foot. This is pretty cool.
Again. What are you putting on YouTube for? You blew that use that.
Yeah. I don't care about brands, I just don't want a truck that loses the transmission every year. Next truck's gonna be GMC.
Oh, you're retarded.
What I see, and that prophecy is eloquent. Wings up like they necessary, living like I'm legendary. Fly with it, open up your mind with it. Double-headed monster, hold your head and cry with it. Observe the voices, the sirens, deadly feature, but my voice evokes reality. Controls the
What are you gonna do now?
No, I need a new trailer, but I'm 20 and the bank won't give me one. Well, here's what happened. The road was so bad, it took out this piece here. See that sticking out? That went, stabbed into a tire, which then took out the other tire.
So what are you gonna do with her now?
Do you have a grinder? You can use it later? I'm gonna pull it up by the shop, grind that piece off. You don't need it anyway. Okay, see if we got air conditioning. Is a truck.gooseneck trailer. Let's get it unhooked and hooked on to the 53 foot, also known as Lieutenant Dan, because it seems to always be missing one of its feet.
I can see them dancing in the wind. The reality is pain. The moment I fail to pretend to within, I hope she knows me. Ecstasy consumes her slowly. If I love it, will restore me. But love is not that easy. See that? In the people there's a lotus, so pick your poison. What I feel is deep. See the black was in our eyes, it's either truth or non-belief. Look, life is just a metaphor for floating while you sleep. So emotions that were broken spill from her lips and come to life within my dreams. Can't you see what I've become? A salvation in the darkness and a hope when there was none. She cried out, I feel it when I breathe, I can see it in my visions, I can hear it when I speak.
The Dodge and help of the four.
Can taste it on my tongue, and if you see it, you would know. See, a life was void of feeling as the words took a soul. Run.
All right, we're in Cummins. Let's deliver some stuff. And that makes for another load delivered. Okay, so a Ford owner's thoughts on the Cummins. It sounds fucking incredible. No doubt about that. Love the sound of the inline six. Just super deep. Sounds good. Lots of power, lots of torque. Great engine braking for 2007. This thing has better engine braking than my 2017 and if not better, then pretty close. So that's impressive for like back then. It's comfortable, like you'd expect. I mean, really, it's just a truck. I don't see why everyone's so mad at each other all the time for it. Does the job. Nice, wicked truck. They're all wicked trucks. I like the Duramax. I like the Power Stroke. I like the Cummins. They're just all cool and quirky in their own ways. They all got their own thing going on. One isn't necessarily better than the other, and if it is, then in other ways, the other's better than it. It's just different for every single truck. So, anyways, it's nice. Just enjoy it. Okay, you got that?
Okay, sir. No tomato with cheddar cheese, right?
Shredded.
Yeah. Anything else, sir?
No, that's it.
1340 meat time.
I had to turn the truck off because I couldn't hear. This is pretty loud. Good old Cummins diesel. Thank you. Well guys, we've officially acquired our Tim Hortons, so looks like this truck passes the Tim Hortons test. Alright guys, so just got done with this awesome 5.9 liter Cummins. My thoughts on this truck are, it's very solid, it's a very sturdy chassis. You can really tell, you know, weight doesn't bother this thing at all. A bit lower on power, but being a 2007, doesn't really matter. It's got a shit ton of torque down low. One of the most important parts, it is the nastiest truck I've ever heard in my life. Oh man, it sounds awesome truck, super comfortable, smooth, rides good. Anyways guys, that's my day with the 2007 Dodge Ram 5500 with the Cummins turbo diesel and a flatbed, pretty sick.